This is a Pixel 7 Pro, and let's talk about the dimensions of this mobile. The screen size is 6.7 inches and it weighs 212 grams. In terms of millimeters, the dimensions are 162.9 by 76.6 by 8.9 millimeters. And now let's discuss about the build quality of this mobile. The front glass is made from Gorilla Glass Victus. The back glass is made from Gorilla Glass Victus. The front and the back glass are made from Gorilla Glass Victus. And this is made from aluminum frame. So this supports two types of SIM, that is Nano SIM and the eSIM. And now let's talk about the display of this mobile. This mobile comes with an LTPO AMOLED 120Hz refresh rate. And moreover, we have the HDR 10 Plus with 1000 nits of brightness, and at its peak it goes up to 1500 nits of brightness. And the screen resolution is 1440 x 3120 pixels with a ratio of 19.5 by 9. For the protection, we have the Gorilla Glass, that is Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. And we also have the always on display feature. And now let's talk about the software. So the Pixel 7 Pro comes with Android 13 out of the box. And the chipset used is Google Tensor G2 and the CPU is octa-core. So now let's jump over to the memory. So we have no card slot. So the internal storage is 128GB with 8GB of RAM and 12GB of RAM. 256GB with 8GB of RAM and 12GB of RAM. We have the top-end model, that is a 512GB with 12GB of RAM. And coming to the main camera, we have triple camera with 50 megapixel wide-angle camera and 120mm telephoto. And we have 126 degrees ultra-wide camera lens. The features of the main camera are dual LED flash, pixel shift, auto HDR, and panorama. So we can shoot videos in 4K at 30 FPS or 60 FPS, 1080p at 30, 60, 120 to 40 FPS, which is a huge upgrade. And there is gyro EIS, OIS, and 10-bit HDR. Coming to the selfie camera, there is 10.8 megapixel camera with 21mm ultra-wide camera. So the features of the selfie camera are auto HDR and panorama. So we can take videos in 4K at 30, 60 FPS and 1080p at 30 or 60 FPS. So coming to the sound, this mobile also features the stereo speakers, but then we don't have the 3.5mm jack. So we have the latest Wi-Fi technology with Bluetooth version of 5.2, and it supports GPS with a dual band, and it supports NFC, and the USB-C type is 3.2. And this mobile features under-display fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, compass, and barometer. It also has ultra-wide band, that is UWB support. Coming to the battery, we have the 5000 mAh battery, which is non-removable. And we also have 30-watt fast charging. And we have fast 23-watt wireless charging. And we have reverse wireless charging. And we also have the USB power delivery 3.0. So this mobile is available in 3 colors: Obsidian, Snow, and Hazel. So the 128GB with 12GB of RAM costs you around $899. So with this, we conclude this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in a new tech video.